Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn the letter G words. G sound G, G. G for grapes, G, grapes. G for gift, G, gift. G for gorilla, G, gorilla. G for guitar, G, guitar. G for gold, G, gold. G for girl, G, girl. G for glass, G, glass. G for goat, G, goat. G for gun, G, gun. G for gate, G, gate. G for grasshopper, G, grasshopper.